Brush tool. Brush tool is a basic tool that is used to create smooth strokes of the foreground color. Here we can see brush tool. Right click on it and choose brush tool. Shortcut key for brush tool is B. Select the brush tool. After selecting brush tool, color can be changed from here. Click on it. Then after choose desired color, whatever color you want to choose. Then click on OK. After this, options can be changed from the option bar. This is the first option. This is used for tool preset picker. It is used to open tool preset picker. There are the जो ऑलरेडी सेट हैं ब्रशेस वो हम यहाँ से चूज़ कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज ब्रश. देर आर डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ ब्रशेस. एज यू कैन सी हियर देर इज ए लिस्ट. Whatever type of brush you want to choose, you can choose. Here I am selecting grass tool, grass brush. This is the diameter. From here, diameter of the brush can be changed, and its maximum limit is 5000. I am changing it like this. Diameter can be changed. Now start using. Diameter I am changing now. I hope difference is clear. Next is mode. What is the use of mode? Mode allows you to select and set the painting mode from the drop down list. You can choose anything from here. Desired option can be chosen here. It will print behind like this. You can use. Next is opacity. Opacity allows you to set the level of transparency. Level of transparency can be changed by using opacity like this. Next, flow. Flow option determines how quickly the brush tool applies the paint. This is 100%. Now I am changing it 38%. See the difference. This is flow. Flow option allows you to set the level of transparency of brush stroke. And foreground color. What is the use of this foreground color? Foreground color is used to paint, fill and used for stroke selections. And what is the use of background color? This is the background color. Background color is used for making gradient fills and fill color in the erased area of the image. By default, foreground color is black. Foreground color is white, black and background color is white. This is the background color. ठीक है. Background color by default white होता है और foreground color by default black होता है. And brush size can be changed by using the shortcut key also. Square bracket. Right closing square bracket is used to increase the brush size. Look here. And left square bracket is used to decrease brush size. You can notice here I am pressing left square button. It is decreasing the size, and as I am pressing right square bracket and closing square bracket, it is decreasing. Next tool is pencil tool. Pencil tool works like a pencil that we are using in our real life. Here you can click and then after choose pencil tool. Pencil tool, then color can be changed from here. Like this you can use pencil. Next tool is text tool. What is the use of text tool? This is type tool. Type tool is used to add text in the image. Select it and then after do it. From here you can change the font style. There are different font styles. You can choose desired font style. Whatever font style you will choose, accordingly you can notice the changes. I have selected this Microsoft Sans Serif. Size can be changed from here. 72 size I am selecting. It can be changed crisp, sharp, strong and smooth. I am selecting sharp. Now type the text. Clear? Next is warping text. What is the use of warping? Warping is used to position the letters or text in different shapes. Warping means to set the position of letters or text in different shapes. This is warping. Warping, warp text, style. I am selecting here flag. So text is changed in the flag shape. One more time you can check. I am selecting fish in the fish shape. Done. Like this you can warp your text. Next is how can you add different shapes. This is the shape tool. Rectangle tool, rounded rectangle, ellipse, polygon, line and custom shape. You can choose desired shape according to your requirement. Like this. If you want to fill it with a style, you can select that. Like this. There are different styles. If you don't want to select any style, you can select no style, default style. Color. Can be changed like this. Radius. Its maximum limit is 12. Okay, radius can be changed like this. Any shape you can add in your picture. Next is navigation tools. There are two types of navigation tool, zoom tool and hand tool. This is zoom tool and it is hand tool. Shortcut key for zoom tool is to zoom in Ctrl plus, to zoom out Ctrl minus. Zoom tool is used to view its magnified size. This is a zoom tool. Click on it. It is zoom in. If you want to zoom out, you can hold down Alt key. Hold down to zoom out. Similarly, now it is zoomed in image. it is too large. If you want to see the particular part of an image, so you can use hand tool to navigate. It is used to move the large image like this. You can move. This is the use of hand tool. Again, I am telling you, shortcut key to zoom in is Control plus, and shortcut key to zoom out Control minus. Next is open a file. Again I am opening this. It is already open. Now select a rectangular area. I have selected. Now if you want to change the adjustment of your image, so you can change. Image adjustment options are just like setting of your color settings of your television. So how can you change? To change the color setting, you can click on image tab. After clicking on image, select adjustment. In the adjustment, find out hue and saturation. Shortcut key for hue and saturation is Control plus U. Control U. It is the shortcut key to open hue and saturation dialog box. It is open. Now notice the changes. I am changing lightness can be changed. Like this, you can change the setting of the image.